PEMDAS is saying, hey, 7 divided by 2 goes first. So what is 7 divided by 2? I don't know. So let's write that in a fraction form, 7 over 2 to make the math fun and easy. Next, let's bring the 5's down, but in fraction form. So I'll write 5 over 1 plus 7 over 2 divided by 5 over 1, which equals 5. Does not change to 5. Next, PEMDAS is saying that division goes first. So we're going to use the keep, change, flip rule. So we'll keep the first fraction, and I'll write it down here, 7 over 2. Next, we change division to multiplication. And lastly, we're going to flip this fraction. So it'll be written 1 over 5. Next, we multiply across. 7 times 1, 7, over 2 times 5 is 10. And this proper fraction cannot be broken down further. So now we're going to erase this for space and write this 7 over 10 here, and erase this for more space so that we can write our long division problem. So we're going to use the butterfly method because the denominators are different, and here's the antennas and here's the body. So we multiply 1 times 10, which is 10, and then we multiply 5 times 10, which is 50, and then 1 times 7 is 7, so you add 50, so 50 plus 7 is 57 over 10, and this cannot be broken down further, so you have an improper fraction answer. Now let's get a decimal answer using long division, and then we can get our mixed number answer. So I'll write 57 over 10 on this side of the board, and then I'll write the mixed number answer there and the decimal answer here. Here's the long division symbol. So the 57 goes inside the long division symbol, that is called the dividend, and the 10 goes outside the long division symbol, that is called the divisor. So how many times can 10 fit into 57? 5 times, right? And 5 times 10 is 50. And we subtract 57 minus 50 is 7. Can you fit 10 into 7? You cannot, so the 7 needs to borrow a 0. So we give the 7 a 0. And now how many times can 10 fit into 70? 7 times, and 7 times 10 is 70. 70 minus 70 is 0. So your decimal answer is 5.7, and your mixed number answer is this 5, the whole number, and then the remainder 7 goes above the fraction bar, and the 10 goes below the fraction bar. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for your support. And thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.